how to find your MetaQuest pin. So if you can't remember your MetaQuest pin, the only thing that you can do is simply reset it. Now, if you use the MetaQuest mobile app, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the MetaQuest mobile app, then tap the menu icon in the bottom right, then tap settings, and then simply tap reset MetaQuest pin, then simply tap forgot pin, then tap request pin reset, and then you're gonna have to follow the instructions in the email to reset your pin. Now, if you're trying to reset using the browser, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your profile on secure.oculus.com, then click pin in the left menu, and then simply click forgot pin, then click request pin reset, and again you're gonna have to follow the instructions. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.